Dear students, I want to start a new lesson of states of matter. In this unit, you will going to learn about only liquids and gases. And in second PUC, the first chapter is separate, that is about the solid state. You all know the matter means what? Matter is anything that has mass and occupies space. Example, a man or a person sitting in chair, nearby him he has glasses, butterfly, computer, coffee, desk, chair, cat, sun, cloud, plant. These are all the matter. Including person is also matter, means the matter is anything that has a mass and occupies the space. Matter can be classified into the mainly 5 states: solid, liquid, gas, plasma and Bose-Einstein condensate state. The fifth states of matter, Bose-Einstein condensate state, is the man-made state. So there are mainly 4 states of matter are exist: solid, liquid, gas and plasma. Among these, only 3 are main types of the states of matter that exist or that verily used in the day-to-day life: solid, liquid and the gas. The total 4 states of matter: solid, liquid, gas and plasma. Let us see how the particles are arranged in solid, liquid and the gases. Based upon the particle arrangement and the states of matter classified based upon the energy of the particles, then based upon distance between the particles. First states of matter is solids. See, in solids, the particles of the solids are tightly packed, means they are close to one another, they are vibrating about a fixed positions. Then they have a definite shape and a definite value. Then the first point is what? Particles of solids are tightly packed, vibrating about a fixed position. Then solids have a definite shape and a definite value. Then third point, the definition of the solids. The molecules in a solids are in fixed position and are close together. Although the molecules can still vibrate, they cannot be moved from one part to the another part of the solid. They are tightly packed. They vibrate about a fixed position. Next, states of matter, that the liquid. In liquid, the particles of a liquid are tightly packed but are far enough apart as compared to the solids. Means they are loosely packed as compared to the solids. Whenever heat is given to the solid, that converted into the liquid form. The particles of liquid are tightly packed but are far enough apart to slide over the one another. Liquids have an indefinite shape and definite value. What is the definition of the liquid? Here the limitless or the endless in the space, extent or the size. It is impossible to measure or impossible to calculate. They have an indefinite shape and a definite value. Examples: drinking water, any liquid material. Examples: lakes have an infinite shape and the value. Drinks comes in different sizes. The third state of matter is gas. Here the arrangement of the particles are very far apart as compared to the solid and the liquid. The particles are freely to move here. So the particles of gases are very far apart and move freely. Gases have an indefinite shape and an indefinite value. The fourth state of matter is plasma state. plasma is an ionized gas. Then a plasma is a very good conductor of the electricity and is affected by the magnetic field. It is consisting of the charged ions. By vibrating these charged ions, these are the good conductors of the electricity. The plasmas, like the gases, have an indefinite shape and an indefinite volume. The sun is an example of a star in its plasma state. The example for plasma state is the sun. Then the some spaces where the plasma are found where the flame. Next, the four types of the matter: solid, liquid, gas and plasma. The solid, upon heating it converted into liquid, liquid on heating it converted into gas, then the higher heat is present in the plasma state. Then the solids, the characteristic features of solid is what? The particles are tightly packed and in a regular pattern they vibrate, but they do not move from one place to the another place. Then in liquid, they close together with no regular arrangement. They vibrate and they can move about and they can slide fast each other as compared to the solids. Gases, the arrangement of particles are freely moving particles. The well separated with a no regular arrangement. They vibrate and they can move freely at high speeds. Then these gases, they do not have neither shape nor volume. Whenever it is placed in a container, it takes the shape of the container. Plasma state has no definite volumes or the shapes and is composed of electrical charged particles. They are the conductors of the electricity. Phase changes means the process of the conversions of the solid to the liquid, liquid to the gas, again gas to the liquid, liquid to the solid. Mainly solid get converted into liquid while give the heat to the solid, that converted into liquid. That process is a melting process. Next, this liquid converted into gases on heating, that is the process called the vaporization. Then the gas on liquefaction, the gas liquefies, it converted into liquid. That process we called it as a condensation process, conversion of the gas to the liquid. Then liquid on freezing, it converted into solid. Example, ice cubes. Next process, solid directly converted into gas. Direct conversion of solid to the gas without coming into the liquid state, the process we called it as a sublimation process. Example, camphor, naphthals. Then the direct conversion of the gas to the solid state, the process is called the deposition. The deposition of the ice crystals on the leaves. The conversion of the solid to the liquid state, the process is melting. Here the heat goes into the solid as it will melt. Example, melting up of ice. Ice converted into liquid state, melting of chocolates, melting of ice cream. Liquid to the solid process. Liquid conversion to the solid, the process we called it as a freezing. The conversion of the liquid water to the solid ice. The heat leaves the liquid as it freezes. Liquid to the gaseous state. The process we called it as vaporization or evaporation, which includes the boiling and the evaporation. Heat goes into the liquid as it vaporizes. Gas to the liquid phase. The process we called it as condensation process. Heat leaves the gas as it condenses. Then the direct conversion of solid to the gas, the process we called it as sublimation. Heat goes into the solid as it sublimate. Camphor, naphthals,